I'm in the garden in Lagos. Look at this, just have a look at this. I'm going to eat here. I'm going to eat here. I don't think anyone can hear. I forgot that mic again, even though I showed you. Look at this, look. I'm going to get food in here. We've even got a gecko on the tree. In the bar area. Say hello. These two don't want to be on it. It's up to Keiko if she cuts it out or not. So I'm going to eat now. I shall show you my food. Here's my dinner. You can light it up with a torch. Barbecue ribs and coleslaw and potatoes. I shall just light up. Look at that, look at that. How about that? Let's have a look at yours. There's some salmon, and we have some, what is it? The camera's flipping, moving around. Yeah. Chicken, and the same. And we've got sangria. So so why is this camera moving in the wrong place? Hope it doesn't do that tomorrow. I'm trying to film a wedding, it's filming the flipping floor. Oops, they don't want it filmed anyway. So I can get away with it. Bye bye. I'm going to take you a walk down Lagos Main Street. Well, it might not be Main Street, I don't know where it is. Let's go and have a look at the beach. Oh yeah, rooftop look. Terrace. Oh. Well, hang on a minute, we're going to get confused now. I thought this was the beach. Uh-oh. Oh, the clock tower. Clock tower you got there. There's the beach. So this looks like Lagos Square, because it's a square, it's in Lagos. There's some sort of church, maybe a fort actually. This isn't a road, no, this isn't a road. So let's have a look at the fountain. Not a fountain, what do you call it? Fountain. That's what you call it. Pebbles. Yeah. Oh, right, we're going back now. Too cold. No, we're not wimps, we're not going back. Well, we are really. But I wonder if we can just go up that street and down and down. Go up there and down, then we'll end up where we were. That's how it happened to Riga. Yeah, I'm sure you can do that. Yeah. It depends how far up it is. Let's have a look. If it's not that far, if you go that way, we'll be on that road. Yeah, it's fine. We won't get lost. As you see, this is a nice, quaint town. Is it a town? I think it's a town. Just got this bit, and this looks like where it's all happening. When you see that clock tower, that's fine, because that's where you've got to turn up. So we're not going up there. Let's go back down here in case you get lost. No, you don't have to. No, then we're not. Then we're not. We need to be level with the clock tower. That looks a popular restaurant. Well, they're all pretty busy, aren't they? The car be. I don't believe cars are allowed down here. Right. I thought I could spell Indian. Here it is. Indian restaurant, as you can smell on the video. 4D video now. 5D, K, D, whatever. Maybe D, won't it? 3D and 4D. That is a tea shop. That's what it says, tea shop. What's this place everybody's coming out of? Well, there's the clock tower, so it was down. It was down that road. Oh. Summer special, €12. Angus grill. Argentinian steak top, oh that looks good. Oh look, you can go in there and not drink alone because the bartender's there. There we go. All single people, come and have a drink, not on your own. This pavement gets thinner on this side. Best cross to this side. Well, that's that place that had the queue. Hanabaha Cafe Lounge. That looks fun. I can't see many places for breakfast apart from that healthy looking place. So I shall show you where we're staying. I'll show you around it inside. Let's hope it's tidy. The place is called the Green Door. €75. At what date are we at? So here we are. €75. I'll show you. Here's a kit, the living room. Comes with its own bridal dress. No, it doesn't. Obviously it doesn't. You get your washing machine. You get your cooker. You get your empty fridge. Oof. And your freezer with ice blocks in it. Toaster, microwave. I should go upstairs. There is a seat in the hallway. Not sure that's about a small bedroom. Not a lot in here. IKEA, you can see there's an IKEA nearby with these chairs. I'll take you in the master bedroom. Excuse my mess. Here is the master bedroom. Big cover spaces. Pictures on the wall, wonky. That's okay. Oh, here's a window. Is it open? No. You can see out the window. Nothing much, but there we go. And in here, there's a bathroom downstairs, but in here, there's another one. Shower. Tomorrow, we're only here for one night. We're in a place near the airport for one night last night. That was €50. Now, we're in here tonight at €75, but this has got 2 rooms. Be careful if you're going to sit in this seat though. It's a bit, well, not very good. What's this? There's a window on the door. Oh, look at that. How about that? It's good. I shall say goodbye for now, and I'll see you all tomorrow, which will be the same time on this video. Goodbye.